Hello there, and welcome to The Don. My name is David, the founder of The Don. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how the digit even bot trades. The first thing you should do is click subscribe to join our Telegram channel. If you don't have an account on our website, click this sign up button. If you have an account on our website, then click the sign in button, enter your credentials, and log into your dashboard. So the first thing, I always make sure my Deriv balance matches the balance I have on my account. So then I will click the web app on odd, then I log in directly and I will land on my odd bot dashboard. I will stake the amount as 39 and the take profit and stop loss I leave by default. So I need you to watch how this bot is going to perform. The bot is going to do 25 runs, then it stops by itself. Guys, watch this. In 25 runs, the bot has made 19 wins and only 6 losses, and it has made a profit of $687 from $39. This is incredible, right? So we will close this and confirm from my Deriv account. And yes, it is reflecting on my Deriv account. Watch this, guys. So I can now return and log out of the bot. So if you like trading odd digits and you have been losing, then this bot is for you. Create an account on our website, get the bot, and start trading like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next.